Let's clear up some common misconceptions and misunderstandings about net carbs versus total carbs. Total carbs are what you'll see on nutrition panels in the US. It takes every carbohydrate into account.
However, not every carbohydrate gets processed by your body in the same way. Some fibers and sugar alcohols don't really get digested at all and generally won't raise blood sugar. You've got to learn which will affect you. So if you remove these from total carbs,
you get your number for net carbs. The majority of us on keto tend to pay more attention to net carbs, and that is a great way to start keto and get off of sugar. But some prefer to focus on
total carbs because we see more success that way. It really is nice to have an idea how much you're eating net and total each day.
It's about what you feel like works best for you. Want to make keto a little easier? Visit ketochow.xyz to learn more about making this lifestyle accessible and sustainable.
Thanks for watching.